Hi there guys, this is LRC33. This is the Aniline Protector Spray. So this will work on aniline leather, which is what this skin is here that we've got on the bench, and this is a veg tanned leather, which is a mulberry Bayswater. Very, very similar leathers in the fact that they are both very, very absorbent and do require a degree of protection, more so than pigmented leather, which is sort of like standard car leathers in car seats and stuff like that. So these are very absorbent. So what that means is anything that touches them, it's going to soak in. Rain, anything. It's just going to absorb in because it's very open pore leather. So you've got to make sure that you do apply the correct amount of protection. With LRC33 Aniline Protection Spray, if you apply one coating, you're going to get between 3 and 6 months. If you apply a couple of coatings, you're going to get between 6 and 12 months sort of protection on your leather. So it's a fantastic thing to apply. After applying LRC33, what I would personally do is put on LRC4 leather protection cream. That's going to feed the leather as well to keep it soft and supple and to give that double barrier of protection on the surface, because these, trust me, do need that double barrier of protection. What you don't want to do is to put ceramics on leather, because they actually accelerate the drying process and accelerate aging and create problems. So applying this is very, very simple. It's like applying a ceramic coating on the surface of your vehicle. So we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Just move the bag, the handbag on one side for the moment. LRC33 has like this little black sort of button here. Just twist that to one side like so that you can open it, spray on a couple of coatings onto your pad and just wipe in like so. And just wipe in straight lines, and then just keep going in straight lines like this. You've got to make sure that everything is fully covered. And when I say a couple of coatings, you're going to see this is going to go dark. That is very, very natural. That will dry out because it's just absorbing in and soaking into the pores of the leather. And that's what you've got to do. You'd allow that to dry out, and I can see that's now drying out on the surface already. You would then apply a second coating, and again, going in different directions, left to right and up and down. That way you're going to ensure that you cover the item completely to get that long-term protection. Exactly the same thing with your handbag. Apply again onto the handbag. If you've got like a mulberry Bayswater or like a veg tanned or an aniline leather handbag, simply apply like so and just go from left to right as well as up and down to ensure that that is fully protected. You've got to get that right into the grain is the main thing, and to help those pores to become protected so that they don't suck in all the dirt and grime, rain, which is going to cause stains and stuff like that. Just simply up and down, left and right. It's as simple as that. That is LRC33 Aniline Leather Protection Spray. It works on any type of absorbent leather other than suede or nubuck, anything that's absorbent. LRC33. Any technical questions you have, hop on over to the website, drop us an email, help@leatherrepaircompany.com. We are here to help you with all your leather queries, or you can go and buy some of the LRC33 today from the website. Just put it in the search bar at the top, LRC33, and it'll pop up, add to your checkout, add to the box, checkout, and you'll get it within 24 hours in the UK on a next day delivery, as long as Royal Mail does their thing. Thank you very much, guys.